Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. IntelliJ and MySQL must be installed and running. Next, download the MySQL JDBC driver so IntelliJ can speak to the database. Create or verify a database user with the minimum privileges you need for development: record host, port, database name, username, and password. Once done, open your project in IntelliJ and prepare to add the driver dependency or library so the IDE can establish a connection. In IntelliJ, open the database tool window and add a new data source, choosing MySQL. You'll either let IntelliJ download the driver or manually point to the connector/J jar. Do that if automatic download fails. Enter host, port default 3306, database name, username, and password. Click Test Connection to confirm reachability. If successful, save the data source. Make sure the correct JDBC URL is formed and that SSL settings match your server configuration to avoid false failures. Now you can open an SQL console, run queries, and link the data source to frameworks like Spring or Hibernate. If the connection fails, first verify MySQL is running and listening on the expected interface. Check bind address, firewall rules, and that the user has host permissions. Also confirm driver version compatibility and SSL mode. Switching SSL to disabled for local development often resolves handshake issues. When stuck, inspect IntelliJ logs and the exact JDBC error message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.